Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching and welcome to my house. In this video, I want to talk about a Utah feature that I complained about early on, and that was the favorites menu. I was super stoked about this feature, and I was disappointed when I was playing around with the release candidate in that the favorites menu didn't work like I thought it should. So I came in here and I was trying to move stuff around and things didn't work like I wanted them to. There you can see that actually worked, it reordered, but I couldn't drag and drop things like I expected. And I need to explain what I was doing wrong so you don't go through the same frustration I did. And let's explain by going to a fresh menu so it's not confusing. I'm going to go impersonate George Walson in my PDI, and he has an empty favorites menu. Now let's do two things this George Walson. Let's set two favorites. I've got business applications and I got dashboards. That might be pretty common. And then let's scroll down here and let's go ahead and favorite the entire employee center. And yeah, we'll just leave that simple as that. Now notice when I'm adding favorites, I can change the name and location immediately while I'm doing that. And that's a new feature that I didn't emphasize in my first video, so that's pretty cool. Now if he goes to his favorites, he's got the home page, which is there's those business apps and dashboards, and there's the employee center with one favorite in there. Now he can edit this, and this is where I was getting frustrated previously, and he can create his own group. So I can go in here and I'll just say create a custom group. We'll call this self-service, just like you see there with the dashes, and then I won't hit save. And then notice I can take this self-service applications and drag it down here into self-service. And if I wanted to, I can click on this and then get rid of that menu item called self-service. What I can't do, and this is what was tripping me up, is I can't take this and drag it into that employee center group because that's not a custom group. Look at this here. Custom groups have this little tiny folder icon that you can barely see, indicating that you can drag and drop your favorites into it. So that will work. I can drag this self-service dashboards into the self-service menu item down here by just clicking and dragging. So let's do it. Self-service. And there it is. But I can't take that and put it in an already menued item that's not a custom group. Now I can take Employee Center and put it in my custom group, and I can move it out of my custom group, but I can't put anything in that application group that came from the favorites menu. So that's the big difference, and here's my lesson for you. If you're going to save something from the all menu, and instead of clicking on this, if you want to be able to move them around and put them in your custom groups, don't favorite the menu, favorite the item in the menu. So this would be the web applications. So I'll favorite that, I'll hit done, we'll go back into my favorites, and let's go ahead and edit them here. And notice it has web applications, but now I can actually drag that and put it in my self-service menu, taking it out of that employee center menu. So I can actually move that around now and work with it. Whoops, let's try that again, put that in there, there it is. So now it's in there because I favorited the individual item and not the group in the all menu. That was the big epiphany for me. Now I like this feature, now it's very helpful, and my favorites are working like I want them. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think might be interested in better organizing their favorites in ServiceNow's Utah release. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.